Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, this past weekend Umusa Mselegu decided to go to church with Umatele, and he says, listen, Hinchumayelo, the word that was being preached was exactly for him, because he said when Umfundisi was preaching, he realized ukuthi no man, lento show ama viewers ukuthi yena he's a manipulator, he's a core narcissist, ayikho loyo nto. So he said the preacher was speaking about u-Abrahami, when God wanted a sacrifice for Abrahami, wathi akanikele ngo-Isaac. And if you know the story, Isaac was a gift. I don't know whether I should say a gift. But anyway, Abraham got Isaac the baby from God, and yet God wants Isaac back as a sacrifice. So Musa then says, "Uti man," when he's reflecting over this situation in impilo yakhe, the things that he's asking from his wife, ezakhe lezo zinto, and he has a right to ask of those things. Hey guys, the way I was laughing, because I'm like, I don't think the preacher actually intended for you to take that message in that way, Musa Mselegu. So Musa says ukuthi uNkulunkulu mele kupha izinto, akusho ukuthi wena you are the owner of those things. God can ask those things back of you anytime, because it's his things. Just the way with Musa, izinto azicelayo kumakhosikazi akhe, it's his things. He has a right to ask for them back. So he's not been a manipulator, he's not been a core narcissist. I'm just like, wowza. Even the fact that you think like that, Musa Mselegu. Now, he said all of that while he was doing a video seated at the main house, Mzumbe, speaking about the house not smelling nice, ukuthi amakhosikazi akhe or out there sitting in their nice houses that smell nice, kodwa umuzi kaFlo is not even smelling nice, saying ukuthi if one day he dies, he doesn't even know if some of the wives will come. When I heard that, I just thought to myself, guys, shuti namanje. Even though, remember when we watched the show, it was recorded maybe last year or a while back. Namanje shuti Umusa is still fighting over indaba ka wife number 5. The fact that he's still complaining ukuthi the house is smelling means ukuthi usamke, guys, she's not yet staying Mzumbe. The fact that he's even still saying that some wives, he doesn't know whether they will come to his funeral, means ukuthi namanje there's still wives that he's in disagreement with. Hey guys, samke ayibokeli, angiyazi indaba yakho ukuthi idinga i-fasting, or what really does it mean, because i-timing yakhe yokungena is just making things worse, because these wives are definitely going to put their foot down, because I mean the whole world is looking and staring at them, and the whole world is telling the wives that they must choose themselves, put Musa in his place. Whereas if the TV or if the cameras were not there, they probably would have been a lot more lenient to Musa than they are right now. That's my own opinion. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.